Hi, this is Gary with Gary Buys Houses, and I'm here today with Chris. And we recently purchased her house, and so she's going to tell us a little bit about what happened during that process.
It was a very easy process for me. Gary looked at the house and bought it as is, the house was in good shape. The outside was in a good shape, but the inside was not. But he bought it as is, and he's fixed it up, and I'm very happy with the results, and I'm very happy with Gary.
Thanks, Chris. That means a lot to us. One of the things about this transaction is that you had a friend that actually referred you to me.
Yes.
You had your friend Deanna referred you. I had worked with Deanna before.
Yes.
And when we met at your house, you weren't sure if you wanted to sell it as is or if maybe you were going to list the house, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and so we gave you options and prices either way, either listing it or selling it as is, and you talked about it and thought about it and decided to sell it as is. So
yes, I'm very happy with that decision.
yep. So we really appreciate it, Chris.